I'm actually trying to talk to you, dude. How are you gonna take a video about this rack here when you already have this fucker on? You already took a video about this fucker.
But I haven't uploaded that onto YouTube yet to talk about it.
And then she'll show up.
Alright, well, I'm already recording, so Christian's here. I'm here. The PVC pipe is here. So today we are working on building a solar shower, as the internet calls it, DIY van lifestyle. Stay tuned, and we're gonna put all these parts together, and we're gonna see if we can make it work. Off.
Yeah, it becomes a cool thing that you have to supply you water when you need it.
Let's put it on the car now.
What are we doing?
We're putting our solar shower on the car.
All right, getting ready for camping week.
Oops.
This doesn't matter. That's what matters. Oh, that was the first time with the measurement?
Works perfectly.
That Schrader valve looks ridiculous up there.
It doesn't matter. You're gonna overturn it
And break it.
There you go. You don't have to go any crazier. Oh my god.
It's gotta be perfect if
It's gotta be perfect.
That's just how it's gotta be.
This is
Alright YouTube, we're back with the Jeep Dodge Durango, and this is my solar shower. Oh no, we can't film here, dude. Alright, well, I'm gonna start. Alright, so this is my solar shower. This was the design. We mounted it to the roof with hose clamps. We used a test seal for our cap, and I did fix the gauge. This pressure that is in here is based off of the sun heating it up. So it's full of water right now, and you get about 3 psi from the sun. Alright, so this is our first test we're going to do with our 3 psi, just based off of the sun, and we'll see what we can get out of that. Probably won't be much, but we'll see what it does. This is also about 6 feet of pipe, and it's about 5 gallons. Alright, so you get nothing from your sun pressure. We have water.
Faster.
No, that's all it's going to do. Over 30 psi now. So that was a shower. Ooh, that's hot.
Aliens.
There's no proof. Dude, that thing is way good.
Yeah, that's nice.
And we're still above 10 psi.
This is hot. This is really hot.